The Tesla app 451 unknown error indicates that the Tesla mobile app is unavailable in your specific region. This happens due to legal restrictions, content limitations imposed by governments, or policies from app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's important to understand that this error is not a technical bug or glitch in the app itself. Instead, it's a deliberate compliance measure implemented by Tesla to adhere to local laws and regulations in different countries. As a result of these restrictions, users may be prevented from installing the app, logging into their accounts, or accessing certain features that require app functionality. To visualize this, here's a world map showing data protection and privacy legislation worldwide, highlighting how different regions have varying levels of restrictions that can affect app availability. For example, searching for apps in restricted regions might show similar error messages or unavailability in the App Store interface. In this section, we'll break down the key aspects of understanding this error. Point 1, what the error signifies. Point 2, why it's implemented. Point 3, what you can do about it. Throughout this guide, we'll explain in detail why the 451 error occurs in certain regions and provide practical steps for what you can do to address it. The 451 error in the Tesla app is based on the HTTP 451 status code. This code indicates that content or access is unavailable due to legal reasons, such as censorship, copyright issues, court orders, privacy laws, or regional legal differences. Tesla implements geo-locking in their app to ensure compliance with varying laws around the world. This means the app detects your location and may block access if you're in a region with specific legal requirements. For instance, in China, Tesla faces legal restrictions that require a separate app called Tesla China to meet local data privacy and regulatory standards. This separate app avoids the 451 error for users in that region. In addition to full app access, specific features within the Tesla app may be blocked in certain regions. For example, satellite imagery or navigation data could be restricted due to military or security sensitivities in areas like the Middle East. Finally, app stores themselves, such as Google Play or the Apple App Store, may enforce blocks on the Tesla app in response to government mandates or legal requirements in specific regions, leading to the 451 error during installation attempts. First, verify your App Store region settings to ensure you're accessing the correct regional store. Sometimes switching regions using a VPN to a supported country like the US or Canada can allow installation. However, be aware that this might violate Tesla's terms of service or local laws. If the issue persists, try clearing the app cache, force stopping the app, or reinstalling it completely. Finally, contact Tesla support directly. They can provide region-specific solutions or clarifications for your situation. Tesla officially discourages unofficial methods like APK downloads on Android due to security risks. The Tesla support portal now has a dedicated section for 451 errors, advising users to verify their region on the Tesla website. Using VPNs can be risky and potentially lead to account bans. Stick to official channels when possible. In March 2025, Tesla's app was removed from Saudi app stores after the government demanded data localization. This led to widespread reports of the 451 error among users in the region. Users encountered the 451 error when trying to access the app, indicating it was unavailable due to legal restrictions. Some users attempted to bypass the restriction using US-based VPNs, but this carried the risk of account suspensions. Tesla's support team resolved many of these cases through official channels, always emphasizing the importance of legal compliance. This case study demonstrates the real-world impact of regional restrictions and highlights the need for developing region-specific solutions. App restrictions are increasing globally due to geopolitical tensions and evolving local regulations. Countries are implementing stricter data localization laws and content filtering, leading to more app blocks like Tesla's 451 error. Tesla is experimenting with AI-driven app personalization to bypass these restrictions. This includes auto-translating interfaces for different languages and regions, adapting content to comply with local laws while maintaining core functionality. Experts predict Tesla will release a modular app framework, allowing region-specific features without full blocks. This approach would enable different app versions for various markets, potentially reducing 451 errors significantly. This modular framework could reduce 451 errors by up to 50%, according to analyst forecasts. As electric vehicle markets grow globally, overcoming these regional hurdles will become crucial for Tesla's expansion. While VPN usage has surged 25% for accessing the Tesla app, regulators are increasingly pushing back against this practice. Sideloading, or downloading the Tesla app APK from another region, may bypass geographical blocks, but introduces serious security risks, including vulnerabilities and potential malware. Tesla strongly advises against these unofficial methods due to the risks involved. Always use official channels for installing and updating the Tesla app to maintain security and avoid potential issues. The Tesla App 451 error is fundamentally a legal and regional compliance issue, not a technical bug in the software. Always start by verifying your region and using official troubleshooting methods provided by Tesla. Exercise caution when considering unofficial workarounds like VPNs or sideloading, as they may pose security risks. Keep yourself informed by following Tesla's official channels and reputable tech news sources for the latest developments on app policies and regional availability. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure a safer and more reliable experience with the Tesla app.